How to log in Quick Trip credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you log in or sign in to your Quick Trip credit card online. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the source field, search for Quick Trip credit card. After you search for that, simply you'll have to visit the official site of Quick. The URL will be like quickreward.com. Simply tap on that. Alright, in my case, I have blocked because of my region-based problem. In your case, you will see a login page, or if you not see it, simply tap on login just at the top right. After you tap on that, you'll get a login page on your system. After that, simply provide your username and password over there. After you provide your correct username or password, simply tap on login. After that, you'll be able to log in or sign into your Quick Trip credit card online. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.